Hello guys, welcome back again. In the last session, we have seen about the parameterization and how we can call the multiple arguments via parameterization into a test methods. So in this session, we're gonna see one of the important concept where if a test case is getting executed and it is getting failed for some reason, but I'm not using that anymore, or I wanted to skip those test cases. So even though the test cases get executed, if it is a passed or failed, that shouldn't be updated in the test results. So to get those kind of setup, so we have couple of markers, and I will show you how you can mark to that test case in this session. So let's get started. So in case if you are new to this session, do watch my earlier sessions. So where we have discussed a couple of topics on the executing a substring methods via command prompt, fixtures, and markers concept and parameterization. So we'll see now how we can handle this failed test cases, or how we're gonna skip those test cases, or how we're gonna ignore those test cases. We will see. So let me open this folder, and in this I have taken this test results demo. I have captured couple of methods. So you can see here, here I have a couple of methods in this file, and I have a Pytest imported. And let me just run this file and show you the results, what it look like. So here I will say cmd, and let me type py.test. So it's a test results underscore demo. So I have executed this. In that there are six methods. So six test methods set is there. And in that you can see test add one is getting failed, and it has showing the assertion failed information, and the same thing for another method 4 and 6. Now I want this method, so this particular method should be executed, but it shouldn't capture as passed or failed. And I want this method to be skipped, and I want this method to be again ignored. So how we gonna achieve that? So we're gonna open the same test file. So for the first one, it has failed, right? So let me type pytest pytest.mark. So to make this test case ignored, the status of that method should be ignored. For that, I can use Xfail. So this Xfail mark will show you, or will tell that it will execute it, and even though it is a passed or failed, ignore that. And I can give another one for 4. So this is also showing a results failure, right? So for this also I will say pytest.mark. So this marker I will say as skip. And again, sixth one, it is showing error, right? So pytest dot mark dot xfail. So xfail will be ignoring both passed and failed condition. Even though it is passed or failed, it will ignore that. And it's like something like a skip only. I will save, and I will come back and execute this file. Now you can see the status has been updated here. You can see there are three pass, one was skipped and two was X failed. So you can see the results are showing 100% pass. You can see here 100% pass. In the previous run, you can see there were three failures and three passed. Now it is saying three passed, one skipped, and two X failed. And this is something which is showing as yellow color, both the cases. And you can see in the test results against this one of the test results underscore demo we have executed, right? For that also it is saying X dot dot, which is in the green, and S is a skipped, and dot X. So this is the status that will update in the logs, and you will see that it is 100% passed. So likewise, you can provide all this xfail, xpass to all the test cases. So for example, I wanted to give this skip for rest of the cases. So for this also, I will give a skip. For this, I will give a skip. And for this also, I will say x fail and save, and you can run. So now you can see everything is skipped, and you can see the status are being updated. So this is how you can maintain test cases to be skipped or to be X failed. X failed is representing it is not either agreeing a pass, it is not agreeing a fail. So it is accepting like a skip condition only. A skip will always skip that test phase being executed. So this is the importance of X fail and skip markers. So this will be used when you actually work onto the real-time test cases where you will see some test cases are not required. Even though it is executed, you don't mark it as passed or failed, but you can use that condition as in one of the method. So I hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. If the session is helpful for you, do post a like and share with a colleague. Thank you for watching.